If you aren't getting the results you want from your job or your business, then this video is for you. Stay to the end because I'm going to tell you how to get up to $15,000 in team bonuses that will explode any online business. So, this is the Affiliate Mentor Click Cash Review. What is Click Cash? Click Cash, you ask? That is meaning you can get paid after 2 weeks of engagement. They go through their autoresponder series that is done for you with the system. And after 2 weeks, the ones that are engaging, they get put in a pool. And you get either 10, 20, or even 30 cents a click, whether people buy from you or not. So that's win-win. Like, you're going to get paid. They're going to continue to get drip-fed messages, emails that are done for you on autopilot, and you get paid whether they buy or not. 10, 20, or even 30 cents per click. So that's win-win. Why is Affiliate Mentor so very crucial? Because you need traffic in order to make money. No matter what business you're promoting, you need traffic, you need eyeballs on your offer, you need high traffic, high tier, top quality traffic. And Affiliate Mentor is like traffic gurus. They've been doing this for well over 10 years. And tomorrow they're dropping some serious big news. So, not exactly sure what it is yet. I'm not in the know that way. They're keeping it hush hush. But odds are people are going to start flocking to this program. So if you want to get in, you need to get in ASAP. And we're going to give you the best bonuses. We're going to give you the best team training of anybody. $15,000, which will explode any business you're doing. Would you like to have an army of affiliates that are all trained? Not by you, by the number one in this entire company. A guy that's been on leaderboards for like well over a decade, since he was, 15 or 16 years old? And he's 28 or 29, so you do the math. Like, this guy will tirelessly work for you and your team and your team's team, and he's offering these bonuses not just for you, but you can offer these as your own bonus. You're going to learn how to brand yourself. You're going to learn how to build your email list. These are all easy steps. And guess what? Not only will we have videos, which are done for you tutorials, but you also will do with this live to build whatever business you want to build. He has a 2-hour training every single day live, 6 days a week, where you go with him and he shows you what to do step by step, and will help you out with whatever you're working on to build your online business. But you need this traffic. Not only this traffic for a limited time only, you can get not only half price for certain packages, but you can get done for you guaranteed sales. Sorry, not done for you. Guaranteed sales and leads. A certain amount of leads and a certain amount of guaranteed sales. Now, who's offering that? Especially tier 1 traffic that's been around. This isn't just coming from some okie doke company that you've never heard of. No, it's Traffic Authority. They're one of the top companies around. So, like, this is win-win. People are going to start flocking to this offer. If you haven't heard of it yet, you're going to hear about it big time. But why wouldn't you want to be with the person that's going to help you out the most? This isn't just a person that's going to leave you. No, he's going to teach you everything he knows. He's not gatekeeping. Wouldn't you like to have a mentor that's invested in your growth, that cares about you and your team and building your team, and is offering you? And the way you get to this guy is through me. And he's helped me immensely. My first video ranked. Every single video I put out since he worked with me have ranked since the very first video. Some of them are ranking number 1 in multiple keywords. Many of them, actually. Like, I have a streak of like 5 or 6 different videos in a row that have been #1 overall. And that's just from the actionable steps he gives. We aren't even implementing all of the strategies yet, and I'm killing it, just like everybody else on this team is killing it. They're learning, and all you got to do is plug into the system, get the free bonuses, and you know what the first step is once you get the team site? Is to get on a call with him live. And guess what? Not just you, your people, and your people's people. He's going to build you an army of affiliates. But he's not doing this forever. 2025 is the year. So if you're watching this, get in ASAP. Now he has his own program, but that you can get 50% commissions on if you want to just get the training. But that training, the team site, all the bonuses, it's part of nearly $15,000 package. And you can get paid on multiple levels, I think 4 different levels, 50% commissions to whatever you want, whether it be PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, Zelle. If you want to get paid, he says you want to get paid in gold, you can get paid in gold. You want to get paid in Bitcoin, you want to get paid in Ethereum, you want to get paid in Litecoin. Whatever you want to get paid in, Doge, whatever you want to get paid in is instant commissions. You get 50% of every sale. And he's putting you in for free. This is just one of like 6 or 7 bonuses, including direct access to him. Anytime you want, you call him, and if he doesn't answer, he'll call you right back. And you'll hop on in his training room, and he's going to help you live. And guess what? I can't even make only but one live training a week. But he meets me after work every single day I need it. Tirelessly. Investing in me. Would you like a person like that that's a #1 in another company that's been on leaderboards for well over a decade? Since he was 16 years old? This guy cares about you, unlike all the others, or you can bang your head on the wall and keep on doing what you're doing. Which would you rather do? This is my affiliate mentor Click Cash review. Click Cash is amazing. Wouldn't you like to get paid 10, 20, or even 30 cents a click, even if nobody buys from you? And if they buy, they got some serious income potential. But he's going to build your own system. He's going to build your funnel. He's going to do all this stuff for you. So get in fast, because the people are going to start promoting this left and right. But you want to be on this team, and you want to get in to this mentor that will help you and your people. But you get in through me, and you get in on the best team, and we'll build whatever business you want. This is JJ Solly, aka John Solly, aka your friendly neighbor Solly Man. Don't delay, get with JJ today. This is my affiliate mentor Click Cash review, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.